All right. Good morning. Um, I woke up this morning. I don't have any hot water, so what I'm gonna do is upload a video. Maybe everybody can, relay into it, and maybe I can help out. Um, I'm gonna change the heating element of my water heater, and here you go. The water heater is A.O. Smith. It's that's the rating capacity. Okay, what I'm gonna do first, this here is to shut the main power on this one. So what I'm gonna do is shut it off, make sure that it's shut off. And I came over here into this panel right here. It says water heater, and I already shut it up, so it's good. uh, and then the water bulb supply, this is a butterfly bulb, so I just, you know it is lined up like this. Water's going in, but it's lined up like that. Water is shut off, so it's already shut off. And then this is the vent bulb. Make sure it's open. And then this is the drain, which I did drain it, put like a hose connection on it, and it goes all the way outside of my garage. Right now it's draining. I'm gonna check out if it's the water, if the power is already up. So first things I'm gonna do is open up this panel right here. Bear with me, I'm using only one hand to do it. So okay. All right. Okay, hold up. Uh, okay. I did that. I got this tape right here. Okay, I tape it up. Make sure I get access into it. Carefully peeling this plastic cover up, turn the power up, which I already did. And then I got a tester over here. I'm gonna test it, make sure I don't have power on it before I work into it. So that said, I'm gonna do this to this supply. Okay. Okay, that one. And it's not reading anything. It's 0, so that means there's no power on it. Let me double check it, make sure. Okay, it's 0. It's set up on 250 AC, so, and there's no power on it. Cool. Now I can work on it. Put this one away. Alright, so this is the heating element. Okay, that one. What I did is I bought something at Lowe's. It's this one. It's the Utility Tech Universal Tune Up Kit. It's in Lowe's about $30 something, and it's including the thermostat on it. So rather than doing uh, individual thing, I'd rather do these things right here, the whole kit. So all right, and I bought that together with this. This one is a $8 tool, so that you can, unscrew your water heater heating element. Okay, What I'm gonna do is cut this one up. I don't want to wait for the part 2. Okay, it's getting too long, so I don't want to upload it too, what do you call this, too long. I'm gonna cut it and then make a part 2 out of it. Okay.